Mm. Mm. To remember this one to all of you guys, to all of DDS supporters, if you want to read, even Escal Penumbra, shout out. I just want to read it first. Take a look, guys. The opinion of the president is an impeachment proceedings and no importance. The impeachment proceedings must be guided by the Constitution and due process, and respondent has the right to be represented by counsel, and the decision of personally testify is a matter of legal tragedy and constitutional rights. The burden remains on the proceedings to the proof of the case, choosing to appear the true counsel rather than testify. The personality does not diminish an accountability or imply of lack of transparency and integrity of an impeachment trial. Depends in adherence to the rule of law, not on whether the respondent personally take the stand. At all times, the public official are best served by keeping their personal opinion themselves and relying instead on the established policy and scientific evidence and set objective facts when addressing the matter of the public concern. Oh, to those Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos, like you, the blogger, Sangkay Jan Jan, I'm just saying to you, or John Anthony, I remember his name. Take a look. Sara Duterte's impeachment has no evidence. How would you say Sara Duterte that he wants to kill Bongbong Marcos? Oh, she was telling the reality. If Sara Duterte got killed by unknown assassin, the assassin can kill Bongbong Marcos, Lisa Araneta Marcos, Martin Romualdez. What she said in Tagalog word, kung namatay ako, patayin mo si BBM, patayin mo si Lisa Araneta Marcos, patayin mo si Martin Romualdez. Oh, that's what she said in reality. But for me, everyone hates Marcos. Me, I'm just saying, I am telling, when I go to Ate Carol, when I buy siomai, there was Kuya Copio and Calito who were two Marcos loyalists, just like Mommy Ellen Oleya. They said to me, "What is your what do you say that Kuya Copio? Marcos, oh." Oh, he said it. What he said before? Hindi babalik si Duterte. What's your own opinion? I respect your own opinion, Kuya Copio. Me, as I'm a Duterte supporter, I'm not debating with Kuya Copio. Oh, I ignore him always. Just like to everyone, to those Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos, can we just be a non-political? Can we be just non-partisan? Like I was told by J. Rick Silva. Look at an INC. The Iglesia ni Cristo are non-political. Oh, is this what you like to those Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos? They also have a favor about the impeachment against Sara Duterte. Let me ask you something to all of you. Ang presidente mo or ang pangulo ninyo ay magnanakaw. Name Bangag Marcos Jr. If I want to describe in my history book, at least Teacher May Tiburcio, we discussed that in Civica, about kasaysayan ng Pangulo ng Pilipinas. Ferdinand E. Marcos Sr. is the greatest robbery of the government. That's what I heard it from the lesson from Teacher May. Magnanakaw po si Bongbong Marcos. Just like I said, magnanakaw. Do you remember like Chavit Singson says, magnanakaw po ang tatay niya, si Bongbong Marcos. Here's the one thing. Everyone hates Marcos. If I were all of you, those Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos, wag kayo maging bulag. Like I said, for me, I just remember, look at in the Philippines, lots of crime rate, rape, using illegal drugs, pickpocketing, that's a word, hold-upper. Is this in the Philippines? Is like a drug addict? Do you want like Philippines to be like Mexico? I'm just saying that the time of Rodrigo Duterte in the war on drugs, we have Oplan Tokang, and some of the Congress, they applaud of Rodrigo Duterte. And now the Congress, they want to investigate against Rodrigo Duterte about war on drugs. What kind of the bagong Pilipinas was? What kind of the our country Philippines to become a narco state? Some of corrupt officials, like in the Congress, they should be in prison. However, as I'm saying, the Tambaloslos, Martin Romualdez, is really a thief. Just like his father, Benjamin Romualdez. While Bongbong Marcos is also a criminal, he's a tax evader. Like his father, he's also a thief, magnanakaw.